I will be making this cute mandolin. You will need an embroidery hoop, colored rubber bands, paint, a paintbrush, a sanding block, protective finish, and a foam brush. Separate the embroidery hoop and lightly sand both parts. Paint the outermost rim of the embroidery hoop. Let it dry and then apply a second coat. With a foam brush, apply a layer of the finish. Wrap the rubber bands around the inner circle of the embroidery hoop. Place inside the outside hoop so that the rubber bands are perpendicular to the screw. Now you can tighten the screw. Thanks for watching and join me next week to make another easy instrument.